Hey guys, and welcome back to the AMCrypto channel. Crazy things are happening in the market. I could not even make first the thumbnail. I wanted to record first the video, then prepare the thumbnail because this is breaking news. This is insane. We have potentially now the first Bitcoin Spot ETF, but there are mixed signals in the market right now, and we need to talk about this because Bitcoin had a crazy move to the upside, and let's directly get into it after you, of course, subscribe to the channel, you smash up the like button, and also activate the bell so that you will never miss out on these important updates. And now let's directly get into it because this is juicy. Here on this 4-hourly chart, we basically saw a rocket ship taking off once the news broke earlier. That it was like 30 minutes ago that the news broke that is Bitcoin Spot ETF supposedly, it's not 100% confirmed yet, supposedly is approved, and Bitcoin, the asset, the beast as it is, just jumped out of the building all the way up to 30,600 and what is it? $617. Let's make it $20. $30,620. What happened afterwards was that news came out that the approval is potentially fake. And that's why you see, or you saw, the Bitcoin price retracing so heavily. But a lot of other things happened at the same time, and I want to show you this. Unfortunately, I cannot show you one thing. Maybe I have to check. I have to check the chart for that. Let's see. Can I see here? If it's loading, I'm gonna show it to you. Because what basically happened was this morning, somebody was front running the markets in the Asian session because somebody knew that this news is going to break, and that's why it's so crazy. I'm gonna explain you in a second why it's even more crazy if it's fake news. Somebody was front running it, and once the news really broke, what happened was with the open interest, yeah, it's unfortunately not loading, is that the open interest fell off a cliff, so got completely nuked, and that liquidated all the short players in the market, like obliterated all of them. Completely. There's nobody short anymore in the market right now. Yeah, so and now when we're going here to our liquidations, you actually can see that, you know, so even the low leveraged shorts were liquidated. Look here on the left side, who got here liquidated? Basically everyone. Here you see even some 3x leveraged short positions got liquidated all the way up here in the $30,500 area. And then we have the 10x, then we have the 20x, and then we have here the 50 and the 100x shorts that got liquidated with that crazy candle. So, and remember guys, I told you that the liquidity is sitting up here in that range from 29,000 all the way up to $29,700, and that I was expecting a move into that liquidity level, and now we got it. But it was basically a scam move into these levels. So now when I move a little bit backwards, let's see how much is actually left there. So here you see that there's one of the reasons why the price stopped, besides that this is potentially fake news, is also that here on the VPVR, $30,600 is basically the last point for Bitcoin holding back to break into higher levels. So if I move up here a little bit, you're going to see it. So here you see there's above there's nothing, there's thin air. Bitcoin would have just blasted higher if we would have broken $30,850 approximately. So here are still a lot of things that are still making me bullish though. Even the Bitcoin Spot ETF news might be fake. First of all, we are way higher than we were when we opened today, which is really nice. So because we opened at 27,000, around 27, around 27,000. So we moved up almost $1,000, regardless of the spike now. So I'm not taking that in consideration. I'm looking at where the price is right now. So almost $1,000 higher than we were. And this is also a key level to hold. For this, I have to go here later to the daily chart. I'm going to show it to you. So first of all, this resistance level is technically now again support. And that is amazing to see. It has, of course, to be retested to confirm it, but for now it is. The upward sloping trend line is now also, again, support. And we can consider this area here now as a fake out from a technical perspective. Now, what I would like to see is some follow through to break actually that resistance around $29,000 so that we can then really tackle $30,000. Yeah, so there is a little bit more steam left to break here into higher levels. I would like to see that follow through, but yeah, we have to wait and see what's going to happen here. So now when we going to the daily chart, when we are looking here at that color graded heat map that is overlaid on the candles, so we can see they are not overheated yet. So we are here in purple. So normally after purple follows here a darker red and then a lighter red like up here. And only then we see a cooling off phase. Right now, with what's happening, if the price is not retracing any more than it did already, I could expect more follow through here to the upside. But I also want to give you a word of caution, guys. Here is now absolutely nothing. So here, everybody get liquidated. If the market makers want to grab liquidity again, they have to move the price down at least to like $26,200 to grab here all this liquidity of potential liquidations all the way down there. So now let me explain you why this market manipulation would be even crazier if it's not true that we got a spot ETF. Now get this. Somebody front runs this morning the market, potentially by knowing that this news is coming out. Then the news is coming out and it's driving the market up like crazy because everybody takes it for real news because it was posted by Cointelegraph and somebody also cited Reuters as a news source. And now it comes out that a Fox reporter spoke directly to BlackRock and BlackRock said, no, we are still in the approval process under review. We did not get the green light. Do you understand how crazy that market manipulation would be if that is true? Somebody front runs the market because he knows the news is coming out that a spot ETF is approved, but it's actually not approved. And we get a massive candle liquidating all the shorts in the market. And potentially this person went long, or that entity went long and made a shit ton of money. That will have consequences also for Cointelegraph and Reuters. They will not get away with that. That is blatant market manipulation if it's true. So, and I have to say, for the time being, I am leaning slightly more to the side that this might be actually fake news, the Bitcoin Spot ETF, because the Bitcoin price is not recovering. We are kind of hovering around 28, which is nice, but we don't see Bitcoin making huge moves back to the upside based on that the Bitcoin Spot ETF news is actually true. What would I be now doing when it comes to trading? First of all, not really a lot. Let me move here to another time frame. I would consider to open a new long position at the retest of that upward sloping trend line that we have here that we also reclaimed now, or at the 0.382. So this is the range where I would look for a new long position. I would not open short positions right now. I tell you honestly, I wouldn't. I would not risk it to do it. Because just imagine if in 2 hours it comes out the news is actually true and they approve more spot ETFs, this will go up like crazy. So I would definitely not risk to open any short positions. And guys, don't forget, if you want to trade, do it on BYBIT. You still get $30,000 if you use here my specific link here, or BitGet, there you still get $20,000 also only with that specific link. The links are in the pin comment below and in the description below. And if you want to learn how to trade and how to proper analyze the markets, then go to my homepage, amcrypto.us. My course is for a short period of time, highly discounted. We are getting more and more people signing up for that. Definitely take advantage of that while it's lasting. Guys, that's it already for today's episode. I hope you enjoyed it. Please make sure that you smash up the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell. And something else that I want to mention, I will be traveling tomorrow. I don't know if I will be able to make a video. I'm gonna try it, but I will be traveling, so I will not have my nice studio background here for a couple of days, but that's fine, and I see you when I see you. Bye bye.